What's up, guys? It's your boy LeeSeaKay. Welcome back to another video, guys. So in this video we're gonna make some HerbALife shake. So I'm gonna show you what I have here. So this is it, guys. As you can see, we have the HerbALife shake, the 2 bananas, the almonds, milk, and the blender. You know what that means? Yeah, we have it. Yeah. So let's see. I don't know what the hell I'm doing right now. So okay, we need some water. Hope this is enough. Boom. Take off top of that shit. So what going first? I don't know what the hell I'm doing right now. What going first? Okay, don't know. Let's put in the ingredients first. So it's a very good amount. On. Maybe one more. Yeah, maybe one. Boom. 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 So, okay. It's bananas. Okay, let's. Guys, I'm gonna put on the camera because I can't peel with one hand. So yeah, there's bananas. Okay then. Let's add the freaking milk. I don't know if I should add water in it. I don't freaking know. I don't know if that's the milk or I don't freaking know. I don't know. Let's throw this shit in it. Okay then. Don't know what I'm doing. Don't know what I'm freaking doing. I don't know if I should add water. I don't freaking know. Let's add a little water in it. Let's just put on the shit. Let's blend this shit out.
You don't want to turn it too hot, you know, so it's just a little bit fast.
That's freaking it for now. So, you guys, this tastes pretty freaking good. Like, yeah, this tastes freaking good. It's so freaking good. You guys need to try this shit. Buy HerbALife, do what I do. Man, tastes freaking good. So yeah, that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, comment, share, and I will see you guys with another vlog. Peace.